guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Meena. Today I'm going to show you very traditional Karwa Chauth makeup, doing very simple eye makeup and same time looking very elegant. I'm very exciting, so let's begin. So guys, I love Karwa Chauth makeup. I'm waiting whole year to get ready like a bride. So I'm very excited to create this look. So guys, I'm telling you step by step, so let's begin. So before I start with makeup, I'm going to do my skin care and I'm going to do a skin prep. So very important to do skin care before you start any makeup. So first product I'm going to use from the Nivea lotion extra rich moisturizing. So guys, I have got very dry skin, so I have to use extra rich moisturizing. This is for dry skin. If you got oily skin, avoid this product. So I have to apply extra, make sure there is no flakiness or dryness. Then next I'm going to use primer. Primer I'm using from KRYOLAN Professional Primer. This is silicone base. So guys, this primer sits on your skin and little bit tacky and long lasting your makeup. Next I'm going to apply the lip balm. This is from KIKO Rosy, to keep my lips smooth and plump and ready for the lipstick later on, to free from dryness and crackiness. So this is my favorite product. So guys, you can see it's almost finished. I'm just using my finger, take off the product and just apply. Then next I'm going to apply the eye cream. This is from Forever Living Aloe Vera. So guys, you can use any kind of eye cream and lip balm. It's not necessary to follow me what I'm using because I'm not promoting any products. This is all my personal use products. Then I'm going to leave my skin 5 minutes to absorb all product into my skin. After 5 minutes, I'm going to apply the REVLON Skin Light Face Glow Illuminator shade 300. This will give you beautiful base. So guys, you can see these products help to glow and give you light skin. Then I'm going to apply the foundation. So foundation I'm going to use from the NYX Born to Glow Caramel. Then I'm going to use brush to apply. Then I'm going to use the damp beauty blender and just blend. Just dab away to get flawless result, and make sure evenly applied, never drag down. You need a very proper base, especially foundation. Foundation is the main base when you do your makeup, so make sure you blend properly. You can use the brush as well and just apply your neck leftover foundation from the brush. Don't forget to apply in your neck because we need match your face skin and neck skin same. In the very end, I'm going to apply in my hairline leftover foundation. So next I'm going to do contouring my face. So contour today I'm using darker foundation. So guys, you can use darker foundation as a contour. and I'm taking little bit amount. Then I'm going to take the brush like that and just apply in your brush first and blend out. Don't take too much foundation. This is very creamy, otherwise it's too much in your skin. So blend out in the plate or in your hand like this. Just apply. I'm going to apply in my jawline and my chin and forehead and my nose. If you take the small amount, you can control if you don't want to look very sharp. And apply in my forehead as well, in my jawline. Concealer I'm using from the Morphe. Then I'm taking the beauty blender and just blend out. Then I'm going to use a translucent powders. Translucent powder I'm using from Forever Living Sonia Flawless Shade Pore 110 Light. So guys, this product is not selling anymore, but this is my favorite products. Then going to use the powder puff and just take amount little bit, then apply under my eyes to lock down my concealer. Stop get crease. Don't apply too much. Then taking same translucent powder and taking brush, dust out extra product. Then apply in my T-zone, near my nose and around the face little bit. Then I'm going to use the setting spray to lock my base makeup and long lasting. Then let it dry. Then I'm doing my eyebrow. Eyebrow pencil I'm using from Morphe Brow Define Pencil. Then I'm going to just fill up the gap. First I'm going to brush my eyebrow upward. Then I'm taking flat brush like that. Then using same concealer, then I'm going to clean my eyebrow. Same concealer in my eyelid. Then taking the beauty blender and just blend out. You can use the brush. Next I'm going to do my eye makeup. Eyeshadow palette I'm using from the Morphe 35T Sweetest Tea. Then I'm going to use 3 color from here. Chilly Moment, Talking Gaze and Drink in It. So guys, I'm going to create very simple eye makeup. So first color I'm taking the Chilly Moment. It's a little bit light brown color, skin color, you see here. I'm taking a little bit big floppy brush and then just going to apply my eye crease and eyelid. And blend out properly. Make sure there is no harsh lines. So taking very small amount, then you can build up. Second color I'm going to use light glitter or little bit peach and orangey color. Then I'm going to use a flat brush and apply throughout my eyelid. Just going to apply my all eyelid. Then I'm going to use dark brown color, Drink in It, matte eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply my eye corner to give a smoky effect. So I'm using a little bit small brush. And I'm going to use the same color. Then I'm going to apply my lower lashes using very small flat brush. Next I'm going to apply the eye pencil. This is from Silk. Then I'm going to apply my waterline. Next I'm doing my eyeliner. For eyeliner I'm using from Forever Living liquid eyeliner. Then I'm going to create very small eyeliner wing. Next I'm going to use mascara from PS False Affair. Then I'm going to use little bit shimmer color. Then I'm going to apply my eyebrow bone using just finger. Then same color I'm going to apply corner my eyes. So guys, I done my eye makeup. It looks very elegant and very simple. Can see it's beautiful. Next I'm going to apply the blush. It's from KK. Next I'm going to apply the highlighter from Morphe Stick Domination Effects. It's beautiful color there. Then just going to apply my high points. Then I'm going to blend out, take a little bit floppy brush. Next I'm going to use my lip liner from this Silk brown color. Next I'm going to apply the lipstick. This is from Forever Living Sonia, dark burgundy or purpley color. It's beautiful color. So guys, you can't buy any more of these products because this is a discontinue. I have got all old stocks. Then just going to apply. If you like, you can wear the red color or little bit nude color, but I love this color. This is very warm color. So next I'm going to use the setting spray. Then let it dry. So guys, this is my final look. Then I'm going to change my clothes. Then I will be back soon. Bye. So guys, this is my final look. I have got beautiful pink and orange shade saree and some gold jewelry and some sindoor on and bindi on and my banga on. So guys, you can recreate like this look. So guys, hopefully you liked my video. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and enjoy your Karwa Chauth. See you in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.